শাশ্বতী আচার্যি ত্রিপুরা সিভিল সার্ভিস, ত্রিপুরা পুলিশ সার্ভিসে 3 জন মেয়ে পেয়েছে, তার মধ্যে তুমি একজন, এবং তুমি মেয়েদের মধ্যে ফার্স্ট হয়েছো।
Yes, sir.
হাউ ডু ইউ ফিল?
Sir, I'm feeling really happy and great, sir. I was waiting for this result for many years.
ফর মেনি ইয়ার্স।
Yes,
ওকে,
sir.
ফাইন। এখন কি করছো?
স্যার এখন আমি ফুড ইন্সপেক্টর হিসেবে পোস্টেড আছি।
So suppose you have thought to join civil services?
Yes.
So we will lose a very good food inspector.
I don't think so, sir, because being a TCS also, I'll give my dedication towards food department also, and it has a long connection. I have a long connection for this department, and I have love also for this department.
Your
I would
colleagues,
say.
যারা কলিগসরা আছে, ওরা যখন খবরটা শুনলো, তোমার অফিসে যখন খবরটা শুনলেন, তখন তাদের প্রতিক্রিয়া কি ছিল?
Sir, many of them actually texted me, congratulated me, and those who were not in contact also, they also congratulated me. I was really happy, and when I got that news, I was actually airborne. So like I was heading to Delhi with my husband. I was not here.
Your husband is also a TCS
Yes,
officer.
sir. Yes, sir.
উনার কি ইমপ্রেশন?
Yes, sir.
উনার কি
He
ইমপ্রেশন?
was extremely happy. Like even I think more than me, he was happy. He was happier more than me.
ওকে।
The first of all, like when the aircraft landed, I can see like lots of messages are there, and like I first of all got that call from one of my friend and senior TCS officer. He called me for the
Who?
first time. He's posted in Khwai. He called me, "Are you got through this?"
কে?
His name is Tanmay Devnath.
তন্ময়, আচ্ছা, ওকে।
First call I got from him, and many of them called later, but I was extremely happy. Many texts were there, but I as internet were not there, I couldn't see initially. It took
So
time.
in this examination there was no women reservation,
Yes, sir.
and you cracked, you stood first among so many candidates, right? What you have to say to the other candidates, those who are preparing for this competitive examination?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think nowadays, I would say, like it's very fair examination, and only your hard work matters, and everyone should work hard with this severe dedication, and perseverance should be there, and we also take into consideration that little bit of luck is also
Luck is also required.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Your experiences in School of Science, when did you join,
Yes, sir.
and how you got into this food inspector examination,
Yes, sir.
and your mock interview in School of Science?
Yes, sir. Sir, when I got in touch with School of Science, it was of 2014, I would say.
2014.
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Almost a decade.
Yes, sir. I got into ICDS supervisor in 2015 from this institution, and then food inspector. I was again connected with this institution.
From ICDS supervisor to food inspector, from food inspector to
TCS.
TCS officer, and next step
Next step, till now, I actually
you haven't decided yet.
Actually, my ambition was to become TCS only.
Okay.
Now, for service, service desire जो था मेरा, that is actually fulfilled now. Now I need to work on that.
Okay.
Sir, like whatever service I got, I will have to work very nicely. That is a promise to myself that I will work nicely.
अभी आपको TCS मिल गया, अभी आप ज्वाइन करोगे डिप्टी कलेक्टर मजिस्ट्रेट, कुछ दिन बाद एडिशनल BDO हो जाओगे, SDM हो जाओगे, DM हो जाओगे, सेक्रेटरी हो जाओगे, प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी हो जाओगे। तो देश के प्रति आपका कर्तव्य क्या रहेगा?
Sir,
देश के प्रति,
yes, sir.
अपने राज्य के प्रति आपका कर्तव्य क्या रहेगा?
Sir, I think whenever we get any position or place, if we do our work in our best, with our best intention and with our sincerity, then that is the best thing that we can provide to our nation. That we have received this, I think many people are there who are even more hardworking, more talented, I would say. There are many people are there who didn't get this place. I have
opportunity. They didn't get that opportunity.
I have got. I'll have to give it back to this.
Service render करना होगा.
Yes, sir. That is the thing.
শাশ্বতী, এমন হয় যে অনেক লোকরা বেনিফিশিয়ারিরা আসে, অফিসে আসে, জানতে আসে, কিন্তু ওরা না জেনেই চলে যায়। ঠিক আছে আজকে নয় कल आ जाइए आप, आज नहीं होगा, आज मैं बहुत व्यस्त हूँ, कृपा करके आप कल आ जाइए। फिर कल जाने से कहेंगे आप फिर से 10 दिन बाद आइए, देखिए हमारे पास इतना फाइल है, लेकिन कुछ करते नहीं ये लोग। एंड अगर ऐसे दफ्तर में काम करने वाले हैं आपके साथ, आप इनके साथ कैसे डील करोगे?
Yes, sir.
आप चाहती हो कि काम आए, मैं
Yes, sir.
लोगों का सेवा करूं,
Yes, sir.
ये आपके अंदर है,
Yes.
लेकिन आपके जो कोलीग्स हैं ये लोग रिलक्टेंट रहते हैं,
Yes.
तो आप ऐसे लोगों के साथ कैसे डील करोगे?
Sir, I think there are different type of people in office, and there would be few people, those who are very proactive, those who few are like reluctant.
Okay.
Then we'll have to make a balance, whatever it is, but the service should be provided, and any intentional reluctance would not be like
Tolerated, will not be
for
tolerated
anyone.
by the officer.
Yeah, for anyone it won't be tolerated. Any like intentional, it shouldn't be intentional.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Shashwati, we wish you all the best
Yes,
in your
sir.
long
And
journey.
I want to share one thing, sir, for you. Like studies and all things are in a different place, but from School of Science and from you, one thing that will go along with me for my entire life is one line. I still remember what you said in 2014. 2 lines. First line is like, your nerve should be made of steel.
Your nerves should be made of steel.
Not of mud.
Stated by Swami Vivekananda.
Like I heard it from your mouth. I used to what to say, remember this line again and again whenever I get challenges. Your nerve should be made of steel, not of mud. That quoted one. And another one, you always said ki whenever you work hard and study well, maybe other would not see, but your eyes shines.
Yeah.
That you will feel a confidence and love and respect for yourself, that will
Fact.
keep you go motivated. These 2 lines are helped me to go through any challenges till date, and it will help me for my entire life, sir. This is the best thing I have got from school, the best thing I would say.
This message should go
Yes, sir.
from one hand to the other hand.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Shashwati, for coming.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.